Bright Lending Honest Review. Watch before using. Bright Lending is an online lender specializing in short-term personal loans designed for individuals facing urgent financial needs or emergencies. If you're struggling with cash flow and need fast access to funds, Bright Lending promises quick approvals and same-day funding in many cases. But is it worth it? Let's break it down. The main feature of Bright Lending is its simple application process. You can apply online in minutes with no lengthy forms or complicated requirements. They cater to people with less than perfect credit, making their loans accessible even if your credit score isn't ideal. Loan amounts typically range from $300 to $1,000, and repayment terms are tailored for short durations, usually a few months. On the surface, this may seem convenient, but here's the reality. The interest rates are sky high. Bright Lending operates as a tribal lender, and their APRs can range from 500% to over 700%. Yes, you heard that right. This makes their loans some of the most expensive in the market. Who is this for? Bright Lending is aimed at those who have exhausted all other options and need a short-term financial solution. If you're unable to secure a loan from a bank or a credit union and don't qualify for traditional personal loans, Bright Lending might be an option. However, it's important to consider the massive financial burden the high interest will create. For example, borrowing $500 could end up costing you several $1,000s in repayment over the life of the loan. Let's talk about transparency. While Bright Lending clearly discloses their high interest rates, many users report feeling overwhelmed by how quickly the debt escalates. It's not uncommon for people to find themselves in a cycle of borrowing more to keep up with repayments, which can trap you in long-term debt. Customer reviews also indicate mixed experiences. Some praise the company for delivering funds quickly, but many others warn of the financial strain caused by exorbitant fees. Bottom line, Bright Lending is a last resort lender. If you decide to use it, borrow only the minimum amount you need and have a solid plan to repay it as quickly as possible to minimize interest costs. Before you proceed, explore alternatives like payday loan consolidations, credit unions, or personal loans from more transparent lenders. Remember, a quick solution now can lead to significant financial challenges later. Use Bright Lending cautiously and only if you fully understand the terms.